Android Alert. These apps are targeting your bank account. Android users' bank account are under threat due to some of the apps on your mobile, as they contain the harmful Instavirus. Zscaler ThreatLabz unveiled a number of harmful apps that hold dangerous malware after being downloaded on Android. It allows hackers inside Android mobile to steal passwords and let them withdraw cash by using bank accounts. In addition, the device owner may not know anything is imperfect until they check their bank account. These apps are accessible on Google Play Store, and more than 5 million apps have been installed. PDF and QR scanners are the most recently downloaded apps identified to have harmed over 70,000 Android mobiles. Google Play Store has various dangerous apps that puzzle to be helpful apps like file managers, editors, translators, and much more. These programs utilize a dropper technique to harm devices. The app that's installed is displayed as to be secured. However, through online updates, hackers insert malware that steals money. A Zscaler spokesman stated, "The recent campaigns conducted by threat actors deploying the Anatsa banking Trojan highlights the risk faced by Android users in multiple geographic regions who downloaded these malicious applications from the Google Play Store."